Just to kick this off, we're going to begin talking about cross-chain. And in regards to that, just to set the stage, I'm very happy to announce that we are working on an initial proof of concept together with Swift on the use of CCIP. In the capital markets to enable communications and movement of tokens between a number of different institutions in a way that'll accelerate the adoption of DLT, blockchains, and benefit various institutions all over the capital markets. In that regard, I think we'll just start discussing cross-chain, and I'd be thrilled to hear Jonathan's views on the importance of cross-chain and how communication between chains and institutions in a multi-chain world could look and work.
Yeah, so thank you, Sergey, and thank you for the invite. Let me start maybe because I know not everybody is aware about Swift, but I will try to explain it very quickly. So Swift is a cooperative, is an international cooperative. We run perhaps the biggest network in financial services today for capital markets, for payments, for FX, for trade. We are headquartered in Belgium, although we have sort of operations everywhere. And we have around 11,000 banks that are connected to Swift today. They exchange financial information in the most secure, reliable, and scalable way. All right, so that's one just to frame it that. The second piece is that the PoC that we're doing, it's the end of a long story, right? I think 5 or 7 years ago was the first time Swift and Chainlink started working together. You were actually one of the first startups that we bet on. You won the startup challenge that we used to have a long time ago. And then even before blockchain was something that financial services had in their minds, I don't think at the time nobody was doing anything on blockchain on financial services. Swift and Chainlink worked together on the first PoC that we did on bond issuance and redemption. It was quite successful. And that was maybe the first steps of this sort of love story between Swift and Chainlink, which continues today.